Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's recipe that I absolutely love myself and I wanted to share with everybody is for fish. So let's get started. Here I have 4 pounds of salmon that I cleaned already and washed in vinegar water, and I've cut it into 1-inch thick pieces. To that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic, and squeeze some lemon or lime, whichever you have available. Squeeze those in, and then we're going to give that a good mix. After mixing it, set it aside for maybe an hour or so, and then we're going to go ahead and start making the dry batter. So in this bowl I have 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour, and to that I'm going to add these spices. So I have 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, carom seed, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of, a tablespoon of cumin powder, tablespoon of coriander powder, and I'm going to add all of those ingredients in here. And I had a little bit of fenugreek leaves crushed up already in there. So now I'm going to mix everything. You have it, the mixture is ready. Now I'm not going to use wet batter, I'm going to use the dry batter. I'm going to dip or coat the fish with this and shallow fry it, so we won't be deep frying this fish. So here I'm going to show you how I coat the fish, and you can do it all at once or do just a little bit at a time and set it aside. This mixture was just enough for the fish. Now let's take this and fry it. So have the flame on medium high and add just a little bit of oil to cover just the bottom of the pan, and add your fish one at a time. We're going to let that fry or cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side, and then flip it over once it starts to look nice and golden brown. Then we're going to let the other side cook for a few minutes, and after it's done, just take it out and put it on a paper towel so it absorbs all the excess oil from that. And there you have it. Your fish is ready. Do give it a try. It comes out delicious. And if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you again with another recipe very soon.